Welcome to Best Sellers Market. Today, we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling interior care products on Amazon. We've scoured the reviews, checked the ratings, and compiled a list of the top products you need to keep your home looking and feeling its best. Whether you're a seasoned homeowner or just looking to spruce up your space, these products are sure to impress. So, without further ado, let's get started with our countdown. Number 5 on our list is the iconic Leather Honey Leather Conditioner. This isn't just any leather conditioner, it's a powerhouse, steeped in heritage, proudly made in the USA since 1968. Let's delve into why Leather Honey has stood the test of time. Imagine this, a leather conditioner that penetrates deeply, offering unrivaled protection for new leather, while breathing life into dry, old leather. Leather Honey doesn't just condition, it rejuvenates, ensuring your treasured items remain supple and vibrant. And the best part? It's non-toxic. That means no silicone, no solvents, and absolutely no animal products. A conditioner with a conscience, if you will. But the magic doesn't stop there. Leather Honey is your leather's best friend across the board. Whether it's your luxurious leather couch, the finely crafted seats of your car, your favorite boots, or that cherished leather jacket, this conditioner softens and moisturizes them all. Even leather belts, shoes, purses, saddles, and tack benefit from its touch. Versatility at its finest. And let's not forget, it's safe for any color of leather, even the pristine white ones. Just remember, steer clear of suede, faux leather, or vinyl. Now, here's a feature that's sure to impress. Leather Honey is non-sticky, odorless, and water repellent. That's right, your leather is shielded from the harshest elements. Snow, rain, you name it. This trusted, time-tested formula ensures your leather remains protected all year long without the stickiness or unwanted fragrances. Plus, it's crafted without silicone, solvents, or animal products. Truly a marvel in a bottle. Safety is paramount with Leather Honey. It's not just about protecting your leather, it's about protecting you too. Made from non-toxic, high-quality ingredients, this conditioner is free of PFAS forever chemicals, making it safe for people, pets, and your precious leather goods. And with up to 6 months of leather protection, you can trust Leather Honey to keep your leather looking its best. For over 5 decades, Leather Honey has been a staple in the world of leather care. Revered by leather experts, retailers, high-end car and furniture makers, and enthusiasts alike, its legacy of excellence continues to shine. American-made, time-honored, and simply the best. Leather Honey Leather Conditioner, protecting and restoring leather with love and integrity since 1968. Taking the 4th spot on our countdown is a game-changer in car care, Armor All Car Cleaning Wipes. These aren't just any wipes, they're your all-in-one solution for keeping your car's interior and exterior in pristine condition. Let's dive into what makes these wipes indispensable for any car owner. Armor All has packed 90 wipes into a single canister, offering you a convenient and effective way to tackle dirt and grime. These wipes are the epitome of ease, perfect for quick cleanups and maintaining that showroom shine. Lint-free and ready to go, they make cleaning a breeze without leaving any pesky residues behind. When it comes to the interior of your car, these wipes are nothing short of miraculous. They're designed to remove ground-in dirt from all surfaces, whether it's your dashboard, upholstery, or carpets. You can trust Armor All to handle it all, from the everyday dust to those stubborn spots that just won't budge. The convenience of disposable wipes means you can easily freshen up your car's interior in minutes. But the brilliance of Armor All doesn't end there. These wipes are formulated to be gentle on your car's surfaces. They won't dry out, damage, or fade your interior. Instead, they work diligently to clean and protect, ensuring your car looks as good as the day you drove it off the lot. Plus, you won't have to worry about greasy hands or lint left behind. Just a smooth, clean finish every time. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you can wipe down all surfaces quickly and efficiently, maintaining your car's aesthetic appeal effortlessly. Whether you're preparing for a road trip or just tidying up after a long day, these wipes are your go-to solution. Armor All Car Cleaning Wipes, because your car deserves the best, and so do you. Easy, effective, and essential for any car care routine. Claiming the number 3 spot on our countdown is a must-have for all leather enthusiasts. Weiman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Wipes with UV protection. These wipes are your secret weapon to revitalize and protect your cherished leather items. Let's explore what makes these wipes a top choice. Weiman brings your leather back to life. effortlessly removing dirt, soil, and residue. These wipes don't just clean, they soften, strengthen, and moisturize neglected leather, restoring its natural beauty and suppleness. It's like giving your leather a rejuvenating spa treatment in the convenience of a wipe. Simplicity is key with Weiman. The multi-action formula conditions and protects in a single step. No fuss, no hassle, just effective leather care. These wipes are perfect for maintaining and restoring any finished leather surface, making them incredibly versatile. The uses are endless. From leather purses, shoes and boots, to briefcases and handbags, Weiman wipes handle it all. They're equally adept at conditioning leather sofas, couches, and chairs, ensuring your home looks as luxurious as the day you furnished it. Your leather items will thank you. But there's more. Weiman Leather Conditioner includes UVX15 sunscreen, a powerful agent that shields all types of leather from sun damage, fading, drying, and cracking. Imagine protecting your leather from the harsh rays of the sun while keeping it looking pristine and vibrant. And don't forget your car interior. Weiman wipes are perfect for cleaning, protecting, and restoring your car seats and interior. Whether it's an SUV, truck, motorcycle, or Jeep, these wipes ensure your ride's leather remains in top-notch condition. Weiman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Wipes with UV Protection. A blend of simplicity, versatility, and powerful protection. Your leather deserves nothing less. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling interior care products on Amazon? Well, don't let your car's shine go unnoticed. Give it a polish by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss out on keeping your ride spotless.
Taking the number 2 spot in our countdown of the best-selling interior care products on Amazon is none other than Chemical Guy's SPI 2016 Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. This isn't just a cleaner, it's a revolution in car care, designed to simplify and elevate your detailing routine. Let's explore why this product is a game changer. Imagine having one cleaner that can handle it all. Leather, vinyl, plastic, carpet, cloth, glass, and even wood. Chemical Guys have made this dream a reality with their Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. No more juggling multiple products. With just one bottle, you can clean and protect virtually every surface inside your vehicle. Why clutter your detailing arsenal with countless cleaners when one can do it all? Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant is your all-in-one solution, saving you both time and money. Keep your car's interior fresh, clean, and looking like new, all without the fear of damaging any surfaces. It even works wonders on navigation and touchscreens, ensuring every inch of your interior is pristine. Ease of use is paramount, and Chemical Guys have nailed it. Professional-grade results are just a mist and wipe away. The unique formula contains blockers that shield interior parts from harsh sunlight, helping to prevent cracking and fading on hard plastics. Simply mist on, wipe off, and marvel at the transformation. This premium formula is dry to the touch, wiping clean without leaving any greasy or oily residue. Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant restores surfaces to their original appearance without adding unnecessary gloss or shine. It's all about bringing back that stock look, just the way you like it. Remember, always test a small surface area first to ensure compatibility. Chemical Guys are the go-to brand in car care for beginners and professionals alike. Their commitment to excellence, world-class customer support, and vast detailing knowledge make them a trusted name in the industry. Chemical Guys is more than a brand. It's a lifestyle with a worldwide following. Chemical Guys. SPI 2016 Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Your ultimate solution for a spotless, protected, and beautifully maintained car interior.
Claiming the number 1 spot in our countdown of the best-selling interior care products on Amazon is the innovative PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel Universal Detailing Kit. This isn't just a cleaning tool. It's a revolution in keeping your car spotless. Let's dive into what makes this product a standout choice. Picture this, a cleaning gel specifically designed to tackle those hard-to-reach places in your car. PULIDIKI. Cleaning gel is your perfect car cleaning tool, meticulously crafted to clean car air vents, steering wheels, console panels, storage bins, cup holders, door handles, dashboards, and more. Whether you're a meticulous car enthusiast or just want to keep your vehicle in tip-top shape, this gel is a must-have for both women and men. Using this cleaning gel is a breeze. Simply push the gel into little cracks, press it on, and watch as the dust is carried away. It's that simple. The gel even works wonders on keyboards. Just press it slightly on the surface and pull it out slowly, picking up dust with ease. One thing to note, don't wash this universal cleaning gel with water. What sets PULIDIKI apart is its friendly composition. Made from natural materials, this high-tech cleaning compound is gentle on your car's surfaces. It's not just effective, it's safe and non-abrasive, ensuring your car remains in pristine condition. This cute accessory is a car essential for everyone. And here's the best part. It's reusable. Use the car detailing putty until it turns black, then simply put it back in the jar and store it in a cool, dry place. Remember, don't use it on your cell phone screen or computer monitor. But wait, there's more. This Automotive dust cleaning gel isn't just for your car. It's perfect for home and office use as well. Clean electronics, computer keyboards, laptops, cell phones, calculators, TV remotes, and furniture. Just make sure the surface is water resistant to avoid any sticking issues. With a brand new package every time, PULIDIKI ensures you receive a fresh, untouched product. If you encounter any issues, their responsive customer service is ready to solve your problem immediately. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. Universal Detailing Kit. Versatile, effective, and a game changer in car care. Your car's cleanliness has never been this easy or fun. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling interior care products on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we talked about today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.